What's going on, everyone? This is your man Ant with the Crypto Fix, presented by btminers, your place for everything crypto. Before we begin, make sure you hit the like, subscribe, and notification bell to be notified when we drop new videos. Let's begin. In our first story, Bitcoin is back on top, baby. In the time of this recording, Bitcoin is at $44,000. The last time Bitcoin has reached $44,000 was April 2022. This is amazing to see Bitcoin on the rise, but crypto mining is still not picking up after the uprising. We could speculate the reason why crypto mining is down in the wake of the upcoming bear market. Let's hope Bitcoin keeps this momentum and trickle down to other cryptocurrencies. Experts are saying that Bitcoin can reach 100K by the end of the year. Now they're saying 50,000. Let us know in the comment how much Bitcoin will reach before the halving. In our second story, we want to wish Dogecoin a happy 10th birthday. I can't believe Dogecoin been around for 10 years. It feels like yesterday everyone was hype on Dogecoin until the Doge father himself, Elon Musk's infamous Saturday Night Live skit. Those was the days. We all was going to the moon. Dogecoin reached an all-time high of 74 cents. Remember, Dogecoin started off as a joke and then took a life of its own. Let's blast off to the moon together as we celebrate Dogecoin's 10th birthday. Let's see what another 10 years look like. But before we go to the next story, leave it in the comments. Did Elon Musk actually hurt the growth of Dogecoin after that Saturday Night Live skit? In BT Miner news, the app is available on Google Play and the App Store. Download it, leave a review. We have a promotion coming soon with the app. Also, on the Crypto Fix, we'll be live next week with a special guest. Stay tuned for more updates. This is your man Ant with the Crypto Fix, presented by btminers, your place for everything crypto. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe and notification bell. Until next time, happy mining.